What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna fix the trunk lift spring with bungee cords. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. Alright guys, in this video we're gonna test bungee cords to open the trunk. On the previous video that I did for the trunk that used the spring, some of you guys said, why don't you use bungee cords instead of the spring? So today we're gonna test the bungee cords. Let's see which ones are better, the bungee cords or the spring. Alright, so let's test the bungee cords today. Let's do it. Okay, so this is what it does when I open the trunk. Right, so it doesn't open. This is the stock springs. All right. So in the previous video, I used a spring, but that spring is very cheap and works super good. But the problem is that it makes a lot of noise. It rattles a lot, and when you open it, it makes noise. All right. So today we're gonna use bungee cords. Let's hope this one doesn't make noise. All right, so let's install the bungee cords. All right, these are the ones I have. I got these from the dollar store, but I'm gonna put the links from different ones so you can pick which one do you want. All right, but this one you can get it at the dollar store. So I'm gonna use I think the yellow one. Right, so let's install that one. All right, I already installed it right there. You can see it. Okay, make sure that it's not touching anything. So I just place it like that. All right, no noise, nothing. Okay, now, oh, let's see, hold on. I think I have to make the rubber thing even. Let's test it. Oh, first test fail. Okay, let's try it on second test. First test fail. All right. All right, test number 2. This one is longer. All right, so I got this one the same spot, but in here I got it in the, so nothing is on the way. I had in this metal. All right, so let's test this one. Let's see if something is in the way. Okay, no noise, and it's not that bad. All right. So let's test it. Oh. All right. So it needs more power. Test number 3. I wrap it here around like 2 times. So let's see if that's good enough. Test it. Let's test it again. Oh man, I don't know if this one is gonna work. So this is test number 5, I think, or 4. What I did, I put it inside here and I tied it here. And this one is on the metal right there. I don't know if this one is gonna work. All right, so let's try it. Okay. Okay guys, those are the bungee cords. They are $1. So some people said you get what you paid. Because the trunk doesn't go all the way up, it only goes halfway. Alright, so it fixes the trunk, but it doesn't go all the way up. I think the spring that I did on the video before is better, but the only problem about that one is that it makes a lot of noise. This one doesn't make noise, but it doesn't look that safe. Alright, so but still I'm gonna put the link, both links of on the description of the video of the spring and the bungee cords. So you can decide which one you can get, the spring, but it makes a lot of noise and rattles sometimes, or the bungee cord, but the bungee cord doesn't feel that safe. Alright, so put in the comments what you think. If you like the video, please like the video. If you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next video.